Welcome to this video on abstraction in Python. It's a key concept in object-oriented programming that helps you manage complexity and build cleaner code. Abstraction means hiding complex implementation details and showing only the essential feature to the user. For example, it's like driving a car. You use the steering wheel and pedals without needing to know how the engine works. And abstraction is used in real-world projects like APIs, GUI applications, and framework. For example, when you see a library like Matplotlib, you are abstracted away from the low-level drawing operation. In this video, let's explore how abstraction works in Python using a simple payment system example. We're starting by importing ABC and abstract method from Python ABC module. From ABC module, import ABC, abstract method. The ABC is nothing but it's a abstract base class. Then we create an abstract class called payment. Using a keyword class, and my class name is payment. Inside the class, we importing a ABC module. It defines a method called pay but doesn't implement it. This forces all subclasses to implement their own version of pay. Here it is the decorator of this abstract class. This abstract method is a decorator of the class payment and pass is nothing but it's a keyword. It's do nothing. So I use pass keyword inside the abstract class. Next, we create a class credit card payment that inherits from payment. It implements the pay method with logic for processing the credit card payment. Diff and my method name is pay. by giving the print statement processing credit card of amount by using a F string. Similarly, we define UPI payment class. UPI payment. Each of this class provides its own way of implementation of this payment method. Processing the UPI payment method. Same, we described the another class name called cash payment. Collecting a cash payment. Collecting the cash payment of amount. This is abstraction. The user call the same method name but get different behavior depending upon the class. Finally, we create an object for each payment method. We call the pay method on each one with the same amount. So, my object name is payment 1. Payment 1 equal to credit card. Payment. The object payment 1 call this pay method. So payment 1 dot pay. I have passed the parameter like 500. Again, I create an object payment 2 for UPI payment class. So just copy and paste the code and modify the class name. The second class name is UPI payment method. So I have to create a object for payment. Sorry, this is class name like cash payment. Here also I change class cash payment. Change the object name payment to. This object name is payment 3. And also I pass the same amount 500. Each class handles the code different. This hides complexity and makes the code more flexible and scalable. Now let's look at the output of the program. Yes, we got an output. Just I show. This line is printed by the credit card payment class. We created an object of the class and call its pay method with the amount 500. And this is the output from the UPI payment class. It has its own version of payment method which prints this line. And lastly, the collecting a cash payment of 500 comes from the cash payment class. Just like that is others, it overrides the payment method to show its specific message. Even though we are calling the same method name payment method, the behavior changes depending on which object we are using. This is the perfect example of abstraction and polymorphism in action. So finally, abstraction in Python helps you write cleaner, more organized code by hiding complex logic and exposing only what's necessary. Using abstract classes and methods, you can enforce a structure in your programs and make them easier to maintain and extend. Whether you are building payment system, user interfaces or APIs, this abstraction is a key tool in your programming toolbox. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below and keep coding with clarity. Bye bye.